Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export and import Shopify products in bulk using a CSV file. This can be incredibly useful if you're managing a large inventory, making updates to product information, or if you're switching platforms and need to move your product data efficiently. Using a CSV file for importing and exporting data can save you time and help you avoid manual entry, especially when dealing with hundreds or even thousands of products. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you understand exactly what needs to be done to manage your products seamlessly. First, let's look at how to export your product data from Shopify. You'll begin by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu, and what you're looking for here is the Products section. Go ahead and click on Products to reveal all the items in your store. This section gives you a comprehensive view of all your products, their details, pricing, and inventory. Once you're in the Products section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will find an option labeled Export. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a series of choices for exporting your product information. You can choose to export all products, selected products, or products from a specific collection, depending on what you need for your situation. This flexibility makes it easy to manage smaller batches or your entire product catalog. You'll need to select the CSV file type because this is the format you'll use for importing the data back into Shopify or another platform later on. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a standard format that's compatible with many spreadsheet programs like Excel, Google Sheets, and various e-commerce platforms, making it easier for data transfer. This format organizes your data in a way that allows for easy editing, updating, and mapping when you upload it elsewhere. Once you've selected the CSV file type, the file containing your product data will be generated and sent to your registered email address. This step usually takes a few moments, and once the file arrives in your inbox, you can download it to your computer for safekeeping or for import into another system. It's a good idea to save this file in a safe location, as it contains all the details of your products and can serve as a backup in case anything goes wrong during the import process. Now let's switch gears and focus on importing your product data back into Shopify. Again, you'll want to start by visiting the Products section in your Shopify admin panel, just like you did for the export. Look toward the top right corner where you'll find the Import button. Give that a click, and Shopify will offer you a couple of options. You can choose to import products from another platform if that's applicable to your situation, which is great for migrating from other e-commerce solutions. However, if you're working with the Shopify formatted CSV file you've just exported, you'll need to select the option to upload a CSV file. This is the most common scenario and makes it easy to keep your data in sync across systems. Find the file on your computer and upload it. Once uploaded, Shopify will read the file and present you with a preview of the data to ensure everything looks correct. If you notice any issues, you can easily make adjustments before completing the import. This process allows you to efficiently manage your product listings in bulk, saving you the time and effort of having to manage each one individually. It's particularly helpful when you have large catalogs or when you need to update multiple product details at once, like prices, descriptions, or inventory levels. It's a straightforward method that enhances your ability to manage a large inventory or transition your store data between platforms. For example, if you're migrating to Shopify from another platform, this is a great way to ensure you retain all your product data in the same format. And that's all there is to it. By exporting and importing your Shopify products via a CSV file, you've equipped yourself with a robust tool for inventory management. This method helps you maintain accurate product information without having to manually update each entry, which can be a huge time saver for store owners. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, these steps will help you streamline your process and keep your store data organized and accurate. CSV imports and exports are one of Shopify's most powerful tools for efficiently managing product listings and migrating data. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your e-commerce journey. If you have any questions or need further assistance with exporting or importing products, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out. Happy selling!